Hey everyone. In this particular section, we're going to be talking about requirements analysis. And requirements analysis is about stating requirements in multiple ways to accomplish three things. Number one, you want all stakeholders to understand the requirement. Number two, you want the business, the customer, to be able to prioritize requirements. So they need to be able to understand the need of the requirement and understand what the requirement is going to do so they can prioritize it. And number three, you want your design or developer team to be able to design and implement a solution that will end up meeting those requirements. Most of the time, requirements analysis is being done through different modeling techniques. A picture's worth 1,000 words, and a picture is the best way usually to depict a requirement. And so what the requirements phase is usually accomplishing is taking a lot of those requirements that are out there and creating models, visual models that can be looked at and understood without having to read through a whole bunch of text. That way requirements can be understood and meet those three needs. So in the following lectures, we're going to talk about a lot of different models that you can utilize and a lot of techniques that you can utilize for requirements analysis.